In today's video, I am going to show you how to fix a certain Protobuf uh, Java compilation error. So first I will show you how this issue happens. Okay, to do that, I have Protobuf uh, binary which will generate the Java class. Okay, so and then I have this .protos message structure already created. So using that one and this Protobuf binary, I will generate my Java classes. So how I generated, I created this console, executed the command Protobuf minus I Java out directory and the source. So you can see I have already created the structure. Okay, and then here is my sensor proto.java. So basically I am generating sensors stuff parameters from my Java classes. Okay, so now I copy the currently generated uh, source Java source to my projects, and I will build the projects. Okay, so as you can see when I am okay, so now I am building my projects. It's an Android project, Android Studio project. So when I'm building the Android Studio projects, you will see it will generate an error. Okay, uh, usually this error will see. Okay, so there is this error is string empty. Okay, so this is like this current protobuf library that I have linked with my projects failed to find this string error that I have generated using the latest Protobuf compiler uh, 25.0. Okay, so here the issue I can see I have used 3.12.4 on my projects. So the Protobuf that I use is 3.12.4, but the compiler I have Protobuf compiler that I have used to generate the Java source code from the .proto file is 25.3. Okay, so I think that is the issue, right? So what happened? I have used the kind of the latest one on my 3.12.4. So now I have downloaded another one, Protobuf compiler 3.12.4, and now I will use this 3.12.4 compiler to generate the source code again from this .proto. Okay, the command is same exactly as you can see. So I have generated the Java source code, the sensor proto.java. Now I will copy the generated source code to my projects. Okay, there we go. Okay, here. So I pasted the projects. Okay, so now the Protobuf compiler and Protobuf library that I have linked on my Android Studio project is the same, right? So hopefully this error will go. So this is a string empty error, not found symbol for each string empty is usually happen for this one, and this is how you fix it. You need to make sure that your Protobuf library that you linked and the Protobuf compiler that you use are the exact same.